Excellent, guys. If I'm back again with another video, and today this video that we are doing is in response to a posting on the Excel and Word Tricks group on Facebook. A user had actually requested as to how he or she could, she or he has, this person has dates on a sheet and that they want to automatically change color for yellow being 180 day past or red for 365 days past. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're using conditional formatting to achieve this. So the quickest way to do this is just insert a column and have it calculate the number of days past. Essentially what we'll do is we use the today function, so that gives today's date minus a2, so you take today's date and you minus the first date here and gives you the number of days between this date and today's date, today being this 26th of Jan 2018. So from the 1st of January 2017 till the 26th of January 2018, 395 days have passed. Okay, I'm you'll understand why I did this, or let's just leave it for the same as for now, and we can figure it out later. So what we're going to do is this guy here, as per the requirement, should turn red. This onward from the 1st of February all the way up to 1st of July should turn yellow, and onwards should stay white. Okay, with basically no fill. So what we'll do is we'll use conditional formatting, have the color change automatically. Okay, so click on the first cell, click on conditional formatting, new rules, use formula to determine which cells to format, and basically what we'll be doing is we'll be seeing whether this is greater than or equal to 180, is greater than equal to 180, and I'm going to delete the dollar sign here, because what that will allow me to do is convert it from an absolute reference to a relative, meaning I can drag this down and it will change from B2 to, when I paste it down here, it will become B3, when I paste it down here, it will become B4. So the formula is going to keep updating itself. And so anything that's greater than or equal to 180 should be yellow. Click on OK. Right now, it has turned yellow, but you see the number of days passed is 390, and 390 should be 365 or more should be red. So that's because we have only put in one condition. Now what we need to do is we need to put in a second condition, that if it's 365 or more, then it should be turned red. Okay, so now we go back to conditional formatting, we create a new rule with cells to format. Again, what we'll do is we'll check if this is greater than equal to 365, and once again I'm going to delete the dollar sign to make it into a relative reference, and click on format, and it will be red. OK, and now you see how this has turned red. Now I'm going to click on the format painter and paint this format down. Now you see how the first entry is 390 days past, so that has turned red. This is 359, so this is between 180 and 365, so that stays yellow. Now if this was not the 1st of February, say for example this was like the 15th of February, 15th of January 2017, what would happen then? This would be more than 365 days, sorry, more than 180, more than 365 days, and it will turn red. See that? Now this is only 331, so that's between 180 and 365, so that's yellow. All the way down to the 1st of July, which is 209, which is again between 180 and 365. The 1st of August is 178. Which is less than 180, so that does not get filled. So that's how you would use conditional formatting. That's a very quick way to use conditional formatting to have the dates change color depending on the number of days passed. That's it for this video. Like I said, this is going to be a very quick video in response to a posting on the Excel Word and Tricks forum on Facebook. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please kindly subscribe. Thank you.